morning to all. Today I am going to teach you science. Revision chapter 4. Heat. All living beings, including human, depend upon the heat received from the sun for their food, fuel and energy. Solar cooker cooks food with the help of heat from the sun. Heat is a form of energy. Burning fuel in a thermal power plants produce steam which moves heavy turbines to produce electricity. Heat energy can be transferred into other form of energy. Heat is a form of energy which can be transferred from a hotter object to a colder object. Transfer of heat. When a drink containing ice is kept in a hot room, first the ice melt and then the drink warm up. On the other hand, if a spoon is kept in a cup containing hot chocolates, the spoon warm up. This happens because heat flows from a body at a higher temperature to a body at a lower temperature. Three modes of transfer of heat. There are three ways of transferring heat from one body to the other. That's conduction, convection, and radiation. These can be best understood with the help of following analogies. Here the teachers want to share apple with the class. For this she can use three different ways. First, teachers can give one apple to the students sitting in the first row. That students passes the apple to the second student. The second student passes them on to the third and so on till all the students in the class receive one apple each. This is how heat is passed from one molecules to the next neighboring molecules in conductions. Second, a students in the front can take apple and walk to the back of the class. The next students can take his or her place to receive an apple. This is how warm molecules of liquid in convections move upwards carrying heat with it, and its place is taken by cold molecules of liquid from above. Third, teachers can throw apples towards the students and they can keep catching the apple. This is how heat radiated from the sun reach us. This method is analogous to transfer of heat by radiations. Conductions. Conduction is the transfer of heat from the hotter parts of a material to its colder parts without the movements of material as a whole. In solid, heat is transferred through the process of conductions. Good conductor and bad conductors of heat. First, good conductors, the materials which allow the transfer of heat energy easily are known as good conductor of heat. Poor conductors, the material which do not allow the transfer of heat easily, are known as poor or bad conductors of heat. Convections. Convection to a fluids from place of higher temperature to the places of lower temperature by the movement of the fluids itself. The constant movements of fluids for heating transfer is called convection current. Then this convection current show in the activities. Take a beaker of water, place it on the burner as shown in the figure alongside. Drop a few crystals of potassium permanganates drawn a tubes to the bottom of the beaker filled with water. Now remove the tubes and heats the burner by placing the flame just below the crystal. इस एक्टिविटीज़ में आपको बताया गया किस तरह से पोटेशियम परमैग्नेट्स का कलर जो बॉटम साइड से ऊपर ट्रांसफ़र होता है लिक्विड्स में. इट मीन्स दिस एक्टिविटी शो द कन्वेक्शंस ऑफ हीट इन लिक्विड मटेरियल्स. Since continuous till the whole water gets heated, these modes of heat transfer is known as convections. Natural convections current, coastal breeze. During the day, the land heats up faster than the sea. The hot air above the land rises and colder air from the sea takes its place The warm air from the land moves towards the sea to complete the cycle. This produces a cool breeze from the sea to the land, which is called a sea breeze. Therefore, in coastal areas, the windows of houses face towards the sea. At night, the opposite happens. The land cools faster than the sea. The warm air above the sea rises, so the cool air from the land moves towards the sea, producing a land breeze. Radiations. Conduction and convections both require medium for transfer of heat, but radiation is the process of heat transfer in which heat directly passes from one body to the other body without involving the particles of the medium. Applications of convection in our daily life. First, the freezer is at the top of a refrigerator. Second, the heating elements of an electric kettle. Third, a room heater heats all the air in a room. Fourth, chimneys are provided in the factory where hot fumes are given out. Application of radiation in our daily life. First, it is more comfortable to wear white clothes in the hot summer than the black clothes because they are absorb less radiant energy. Revision question answer. First, define the term conduction and convections. Answer: the process by which heat is transferred from the hotter end to the colder end of an object is known as conduction. B. The process of transmission of heat in which the molecules move in definite currents carrying heat with them is called convection. Second, explain sea breeze and land breeze. Answer: sea breeze. During the day, the land heats up faster than the sea. Warm air above the land rises, and the colder air from the sea takes its place. Warm air from the land moves towards the sea to complete the cycle. B. At night, the land cools faster than the sea. Good conductors, the material which allow the transfer of heat energy easily to known as good conductors. Example, all metal. Bad conductors, the material which do not allow the transfer of heat energy easily are known as bad conductor. Example, wood, plastics. Fourth, what is heat? Heat is a form of energy which transfer from a hotter objects to a colder objects. Thank you.